car, little pussy. Little pussy.
At the light, use the second lane from left to turn left onto State Road 838 and
Oh, I see.
Get that shit, motherfucker. Broken pipe.
It's up with that. You could feel it, but you never even met me. Remember when you swore to God I was the only person who ever thought you? Well, screw that. Screw you.
Escape the Earth. Through the exit. Exit Earth. Through this gate. Exit Earth. Through this gate. This gate Earth. Through it makes it. You silly, you must leave. You stuff with my gut. You have no one gallows. You have no one gallows. You are stuff with my gut. You are stuff with my gut. You wrote arrow, let's you. Scaldne. You wrote arrow, let's you. Scaldne. No, what's this gets me? Are you in your zoo already?
These people know me. These people know me.
Oh, go on. Here.
Got a dream, I have a family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly, the 223 and then we got pressure for taking our life more seriously.
God loves you. We svell dog. We svell dog.
God loves you. God loves you. Jewel
God bless you. God bless you. We sell buck. We sell buck.
God bless you. Resell night.
Resell night.
Resell night.
Resell night.
We're not gonna kill you. The moral thing to do is to let you die naturally, alone, in a pile of your own filth.